Probably for Orangeburg County.
The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Newberry County in central South Carolina, Lexington County in central South Carolina, northeastern Aiken County in central South Carolina, Saluda County in central South Carolina until 2:30 p.m.
Oh, different part of the line.
At 1:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Ridge Spring to 14 miles east of Aiken to near Williston, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: law enforcement reported damaging wind gusts and downed trees with this line of storms.
Oh boy.
The following impacts are expected.
That's what I was afraid of.
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lexington, West Columbia, Casey, Thermal, Newberry, Red Bank.
I'm anticipating a new warning getting issued for Orangeburg County here shortly.
Pine Ridge, Gaston, Prosperity, Ridge Spring, Chapin, and Swansea. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile marker 0 and 1. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 22 and 64. Interstate 26
Let's switch to Charleston for a sec.
69 and 92 in between mile markers 104 and 120. Interstate 77 between mile
Lord, I'm
markers 0
seeing
and 1.
kinks in this line.
The forecast
There's going to be more.
in surrounding areas.
I'm anticipating Orangeburg County getting put under a warning shortly.
Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Tornado watch
And there's the line right here.
Eastern